as always, I appreciate you stopping by. I am also going to, I'm going to put this, this facial ritual, facial exercise program on our site, and it'll be under my blog. So if you would like the instructions on how to do all 9 of the facial exercises, in the coming days, look on our website, joliespa.com, JOLISPA.com, and on the bottom of the homepage, I believe I have my blog, and I'm going to post these facial exercises. There's so much research on it, and I was just looking at a study done by one of the hospitals, dermatology excerpt, and it was just talking about how beneficial these exercises are and what they do for the skin. So I really believe in them, and I've done them forever, and it's free. You can do it while you're watching TV.